Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can send professional and personalized emails directly from Calley Pro using your own business email account. With SMTP email integration, you can create email templates, personalize them with customer information, and send follow-up emails immediately after every call, all without leaving the Calley platform. Let's see how it works. To begin, navigate to the Messages section and open Email Profile Setup. Here, you can add your SMTP profile by entering your email credentials, SMTP server details, and the required port information. Once you've filled in the details, save the profile and use the Test Connection option to verify that everything is configured correctly. After the connection is successful, you're ready to start sending emails from Calley. Next, let's create an email template. Go to Email Templates and click on Add New. Select the SMTP profile you just configured, enter a subject line, and compose your email. You can also use dynamic placeholders like the customer's name, agent name, phone number, and notes. When the email is sent, Calley automatically replaces these placeholders with the actual customer details, making every email personalized. Once your template is ready, simply save it. Now let's see how to use this template during your calling campaign. After completing a call from the Calley web panel, the feedback screen appears. Fill in your call feedback, choose the appropriate email template, and Calley is ready to send your follow-up email. If you click Save and Pause, the email is sent and your calling session is paused. If you click Next Call, the email is sent instantly, and Calley automatically moves on to the next contact, allowing you to continue your campaign without interruption. The same feature is also available on the Calley mobile application. After completing a call, simply open the feedback screen, select your email template, and tap Send Email. Your follow-up email is delivered immediately using your configured SMTP account, helping you stay connected with your customers even while you're on the go. SMTP email integration helps you streamline your communication by sending emails from your own business email address, automating follow-ups, personalizing every message, and eliminating the need to switch between multiple applications. Whether you're nurturing new leads, following up after sales calls, or maintaining regular communication with customers, this feature helps you save time while delivering a more professional experience. Thank you for watching, and happy calling with Calley Pro.